Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin. Today is it's Wednesday, it's Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. I made a mistake, I'm sorry. It's Wednesday. So, as you know, yesterday we practiced the clothes vocabulary. We learned about the t-shirt, the pajamas, the pants or trousers, the shirt, jeans, sweaters, shoes, shorts, boots, a tie, a scarf, a blouse, and stuff like that. Okay, and this is just a reminder of what we saw. We saw the trainers, the gloves, the mittens, the shirt, the sweatshirt, the dress, the skirt, all of that, the jacket, the coat, socks, all of that. It was just a reminder so you can see, you can practice, you can see that the skirt is not, it's a falda, dress, okay, jeans, all of that. Good? Okay, now we're going to practice a little bit. For example, color the dress picture. Where is the dress? So I can color it. Is the dress this one? No. Is the dress this one? No. Is the dress this one? Yeah. This is the dress. Okay. Yeah, so this is the dress. Very good. And let's see the other one. Color trousers pictures. What is the trouser? Is the trouser this one? No. Is trouser this one? No. Is trouser this one? Yes, this is the trouser. Remember, trouser or pants. Very good. So now, color socks picture. Well, here it says socks, so I think here are the socks. Very good. Color the sweater picture. So, is sweater this one? No, I don't think so. Is a sweater this one? No. Is a sweater this one? Yeah. This is a sweater. Very good. We're going to color it like this. Very good. Color shoes pictures. Is a shoe this? No. Is this shoes? No. Is this a shoe? No. Is this a shoe? No. Is this a shoe? Yes. These are the shoes. So we're going to color them. And that's all for today. Yeah, it was just remind you about the clothes that we use. So thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow and have a nice day.